Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as they happen and as they hot.
Good evening, my people. My name is Ize-Iyamu. This is a message to our people in diaspora. If you are selling your future because of money, I'm really disappointed at you. Do you know why? You are in a country that has good road, pipe-on water, electricity, 24 hours of electricity. You have Medicaid or whatever. You have your insurance, health insurance from your job. And you see how good governance is working. And you are after money back home. Shame on you. Shame on you. Do you know why I say shame on you? Because you have no moral value and you have no integrity. You should know what good governance means. If you call 911 right now, they're going to be here in 2 minutes. So don't you want that for our people back home? It's a question. Can you give me an answer to that in the comment section? We that are doing all this, we are not doing it because we want to be popular or we are nosy. This is our future. I'm not going to die in America. I want to go home someday. So if you cannot wake up from your sleep, I'm sorry for you. So guys, we have to wake up. I know Governor Obaseki is way better than POI, Ize-Iyamu. So I'm not going to support evil over good. Never in my life. So our people need to wake up. When you even do videos like this, they'll tell you, oh, you get time, oh. If I don't have time for Nigeria politics, what will I have time for? I have a job. I go to work every day. Sometimes I do 16 hours, 8 hours. It depends on the hours available for me that day. So stop it. The next time you comment that rubbish on my Facebook, I'm going to block you. Because we all are keeping quiet. These people are taking over our future and you are happy over it. If you can't make videos, I told you before, you could write articles. So I don't really know what you guys want. Because our people are so greedy. Imagine you in the United States or you're in Europe. Someone will call you from Nigeria and tell you, oh, they're going to give you money, they're going to give you position, vote for support to Ize-Iyamu. Really? Guys, we need to wake up. We really need to wake up. Nigerians need to build Nigeria. Americans built America. So it's not going to change. That's why I'm doing this. Because I believe that what I'm doing right now will change some people's mind. And some people we understand that we have passion for our country. So guys, we got to wake up. Thank you and God bless you.
Okawo enikata vederio igwa kame ezeno dina awa azeno dina o iviedo obe vahin ni contest election na and Ize-Iyamu Oshiomhonle oni esi vedo eyenso asina and etio salobwa enikao iyaga no voja meteme na nitana emigbe veri anosunu na o ma esunu de iviedo ya fe kenirisi kenirowa agboya in area hiyo we no soon know them where I do a key politics where I do a key anything na do we palace Oviedo Obaseki Oviedo Ize-Iyamu no de in area egwa ariegwa Obaseki amemi no hiawu you're a #1 citizen of the state, you're a governor of the state as we speak right now. Am I you're a rule as a governor of the state? Or have an appointment to the palace. At least, or maybe have a win an appointment Ize-Iyamu or anybody no, or even an appointment to the palace, not regard to a beberio. Have a shifted that appointment, I receive already that Obaseki. Obaseki ga ibe duoge fone o ma be no be appointment oge oni be ade o be do duoge. Eri me dege ebe no keke na ya we mi nim na da ya clash we ove we port we along the road we other place but which was not necessary when a clash but data clash o to you know every palace no baje they ma do mobilize blame honor ma only dey bias na wey APC or PDP or ABGA ma only blame money wey that mobilization to the palace APC members ni blame here because awe no mugbina oka mwezo why we governor a city governor again Oshiomhonle na aro Adam only die una anarie palace ya akpema ya agwe eke orunye die orunye animani velele deni orunye no from other state here die palace domi omo no banedo wana ya agba ye gate ana agba khoyan then emi opani be takede rade then e ave gun kan eme e captain Osa Ogumbo wa tokpe itu baba la ho wo memeti junumena ya teme normal ma against you but wa ewe baba ge unwobo or iana because he made a picture with the video Osaro Bazena rototo a picture where iana moye the other this thing but he may not transpire over yamawa ben the writing ladder na dege egin e matter na we contest election ava or anybody no support where you do your things on your own. Anybody different people may money and support. Metita where your money go your politics na different on where your money tell me politics na on a bet who work or be a mama no support. Baba you no lao no ka body egbo if no anare it will be bad the way adon ye na don ema do feel pe igwe o atok pesa na lula no we won e mana ni mo bo mo abana we that things ya we different parade na ni e drop that they are not because after election emini boom I have a yesunu I have a day together and rooted the nakwe amemine the nakwe be ne dadoge nu la baba nu tamia nu wonia ni ana ni agera ilue e banawe and the rest others. Then for those people no mobilize ariye na we no mobilize no we ona egele we ovie dota eyin ekinu doni orin dokin o orin nika okin o orin agbonria orin tona okin no idweki mobilization ni na ya do awe governor na do ya TM igbina na do ya TM na because ezomarene igbina emeti no ka mu igbina o ka mu ezone and erunye ni lele na ade palace no there because different people may be near your reason here. That only your reason here, Otedo, that is disrespect to the palace of the highest order. Waniki. That doge wagbina we ona nokba bele frustration that doge gbinaji when the whole state aya because we doge have nana no go on nana even do ayama mostly this particular APC issue now on ground because it matter only day one kind you want only 1 day straight but having nana ya no sununa I don't think so any longer. The whole thing is getting worse. But Ed0 Stat ukpare ebiebiriwa. You don't need to fight darkness. Amani di na yekba we mi here ya lele ebiebigbina. Emi no wa need, emi ni man need manedo. Na ya lele ebiebigbina. Wa wa se ken ebiebiye urukpa yeba ebiebi to boile. So eriohin aje no mase akimaba na lao emi no sunu na gbonhia ni ajasen ni ma no himo bobo no way that mobilization because orien ba orien do orien nikao egbian eyan ya mugboto egbian eyan ya mugboto uyedo eyan ya mugboto and ona very mawe na kwele ya awe mani akin iga dere me so video eri afiyan nisan eri afiyan bo eri afiyan na me ibe giyan ni wa ya rete ni buwo iya Ed0 so what do ya rete mare ni do aku nya we palace e palace ne no ori obi aleba gbero gboriri igbe ko wani mo bowo because imai wa hin name na tabi social media mani degi iga oni cheke imai so ni ga reva ni de ti be degi wa eniwa ya wa be suwe direct na different people tani where ona not ba o mani me de ti wa be dego wana dego not ba dego na dego not ba iwa be tie direct where ona no but imani give more ball with that mobilization ni mobilization adiem na emi no kwa ohia ba wa wetin salobo abetin nikao oba atokpe baba o atokpe aba ojo pe won adugie oba ilobo we wi o atokpe we kene ma do yo we no you tete no we so ma o atokpe aba baba nula emi no sunu we gwa ma na do emi no sunu we gwa ni we no there baba nula onu ya biya mani do ekini but na be make sure where some of the people in the river we know that have a gbui niya egbe very o ma emi no keke no ya sunu we gwa oba atokpe domo atokpe awa.
Well, the people say we have done well, and therefore any contest will be no contest if it's not manipulated. But my party is a lawful party, and they'll do, I hope, and I pray that things are done properly and in line with the party constitution. As long as they do that, we don't have any issues at all in Edo State. You see, because the way I got into power, that same way, I'm sure I'll retain power. Somebody brought me into power. Somebody gave me power, and it's God that gave me power. And as long as he's alive and he wants me to continue, I will. No man can stop me.
Shey, una don see the video, una don hear with una ear. Now, the Rofo fight as it they go, Edo people they enjoy am. But now when they do the Rofo fight, make una not forget say the people wey go be the judge on the day of the election, patapata, na the people when they look una so wey be the Edo people. I beg o, if this one na the first time when you take a look our video, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV. Make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime when we just knock our tori like this, you go always get them. Whether the pidgin English version, whether the entertainment version, have been at the main news, you go always get our tori. Now so it reach this week. Una bye bye.
DJM TV.